Start with the name of Allah, who is the most kind and most beneficial. First of all, respected teachers, honorable guests, my dear colleagues, and everyone gathered here. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today in this dignified program, I would like to share my thoughts about the importance of education. We learn how to behave others. Education is one of the blessings of life and one of its necessities. Dear fellows, we must work, not wait, not just the politician and the leaders, but we all need to contribute. Me, you, and we, it's our duty. Mr. President, as we realize the importance of light, when we see darkness, we realize the importance of food. When we are hungry, we realize the importance of home. When we are homeless, in the same way, we should realize the importance of friends and books. When we are in our givens, in our hands, according to a poet, जिस कौम के बच्चे न वो खुदार हुनरमंद, जिस कौम के बच्चे न वो खुदार हुनरमंद, इस कौम से तारीख के मेहमान न मांगो. Mr. President, why we consider so strong and powerful and creative words, but are so weak in bringing peace? Why is it so easy to give guns, but so hard to give books? Why is it so easy to make Kalashnikov and other weapons, but so hard to build schools? Dear fellows, the only solution is education. Education is first. Without education, our society cannot develop or grow. Through school education, we learn to develop our personality, moral and physical power. It is important to be educated upon them to become a teacher, doctor, engineer, or hold any such distinct position. I would like to mention of the great political leader, Nelson Mandela, that is education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. We can use education as weapon to reduce inequality, gender discrimination and many such issues. Education is only key to success in personal and professional life. According to a poet, Allah se kare gaur to taalim bhi bitna, amlag bhi aulad bhi jagir bhi bitna, ना हक की रोटी तो शमशीर भी बिकना, शमशीर क्या है नारे तकबीर भी बिकना. वस्सलाम. इस्लाम जिंदाबाद. रिपब्लिक स्कूल पाइंदाबाद.